Hi, I'm Alan Hovis. I'm a real estate broker, contractor, and property and casualty insurance agent here in Florida. We've put this channel together for you to answer your questions about buying and selling real estate here in Florida. If you've got additional questions you haven't found answers yet to, just put them in the comments below and we will get back to you. Or maybe we'll make a show about them. Thank you for watching.
Okay, a short video for the sellers today. When selling a home, timing can play a crucial role in attracting buyers and securing the best possible offer. A very successful strategy among real estate agents and brokers is to list a home on the MLS on Thursday and then host open houses over the weekend. This approach is designed to maximize visibility, generate excitement, and create a competitive environment among the buyers. You see, most buyers begin their home search online. By listing on MLS on Thursday, your property appears as a new listing just before the weekend when buyer activity peaks. This ensures your home is fresh in buyers' minds as they plan for their weekend viewings, and most buyers have active, busy schedules during the week and reserve weekends for house hunting. Listing on Thursday gives them time to discover your property online and schedule a visit with their real estate agent. Listing before the weekend also allows real estate agents to market the property and the open houses effectively through email blasts, social media, and other channels, building anticipation for the open house. Weekends are when most potential buyers are available to attend open houses. This increases the chance of multiple buyers viewing your home in a short period. When several buyers see each other at an open house, it can create a sense of urgency and competition, encouraging faster and potentially higher offers. By concentrating showings into open house events, you minimize disruptions to your daily life and ensure your home is presented at its best during peak interest times. So, by listing your home on a Thursday, you position it to attract the maximum number of motivated buyers who are actively looking over the weekend. Then, the open house gives these buyers an opportunity to view the home in person, often leading to multiple offers or faster sales. This well-timed approach leverages the natural rhythms of the real estate market to your advantage. This is a proven strategy to increase exposure, generate excitement, and maximize your chances of a successful sale. By aligning your selling timeline with buyers' behavior, you set yourself up for the best possible outcome in today's competitive real estate market. Use this idea for the best results in starting your listing, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hopefully the content in today's video has helped you answer some questions. If so, please like and subscribe. It helps us keep the channel going and answering all of your questions. Now, I work in the Sarasota-Bradenton market, but we have referrals for agents all over the state of Florida. My contact information is below and in my website, alanhovis.com. And if you are a Florida real estate agent, please contact us if you'd like to be on our referral list. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.